Editor Girlic, the best editor training in the world. Hi, I'm Selena. Do you want to be a professional editor too? I'll teach you the latest and greatest edits, and turn you into a special editor in no time.
I am Belle, can't you tell? You will be my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Hi, my name is Annabelle, and welcome to my tea party. Spooky?
If you don't subscribe, my channel won't grow, so support me.
Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Kenny, can you pass on the Witcher board for me?
You sure?
I am Belle, can't you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, make it work, one more time, you know how it goes, baby, shake your hips, drop it low, move around, let your skin show, baby, turn it up, you know how it goes, baby, turn it up, 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 you know how it goes, baby, turn it up. You got to give it to me. You got to. You got to.
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.